Square One Kitchen. Hello everyone, today we are making, I think mayo's that good, but go off. And we're doing this real time. You will need 1 egg, one cup of canola or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, et français, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon, a pinch of salt or more if you want it extra salty. Actually, no more. Don't do more. Why my dad used fancy words like emission blender? Add the egg, Dijon, lemon juice. Oh, I lost you. And salt. Sorry, I had to rewind there so fast. Why only 4 seconds of the titles, Dad? I'm Dad. I use fancy words. Oh, we're chopping up a lemon now. Alright, pour the lemon juice into the container. Make sure you chop it off and behead it. And then get your lemon squeezer or squeeze it with your hand. If you have a fork, to stick it in and squeeze that lemon. Add the salt. Oh, come on, Dad. No fancy salt pouring like a chef, like the chef salt pours. Now you place your emission blender. Here, I don't know what to say, so I'm just going to say random stuff. Blank space. How's your day going today? That must words. Yeah, I'm so good at words. Thanks for wording with me. Please add the garlic. Oh, wait, I lost it again. Give me a second. Hopefully you read it because it won't let me rewind. Anyways, continuing on. Okay, pouring the oil. I gotta be honest, you guys don't know how much cringe you're putting me through. I have to listen to myself, go back, rewind. The cringe of my voice is stuck in my head, and that's not even the worst part. I have so many memes stuck in my head and Taylor Swift songs. Like, worldwide. I feel like I'm confessing to a computer. I think I'm confessing to a computer. This is the end. Oh, we're back. Okay. Too hard of words. Cue Dad. Hi, I'm Dad. Instead of having to pour the oil in slowly, the blender will pull a thread of oil down to emulsify. That was totally Dad, not just me doing a really good Dad impression. Feel free to jump ahead. If you're still here, thank you for staying here, because you are amazing. If you didn't stay here, why do you hear this? So I can say whatever I want to say that. Thank you for not skipping ahead and listening to my voice, because it's really early in the morning. Oh, wow. Oh, he's moving it up and down, which is kind of cool. It's pretty. I don't know. I can bake, I can cook, but I don't like mayo. So why would I learn how to make it? Oh, he's back! Yay! Pre-plate. Oh, toast. How do you say that right? Toast. It's nice. I put this sauce, but pretty nice. And that was quick and simple and easy mayo. Okay, you're going a little thick with the mayo, Dad. A little thick with the mayo. But you put Dijon mustard to make mayo. It's a little messed up. Oh, yes, we see it's, oh, we took it away. Is he taking a bite? Oh, yes. You can see your teeth marks. Bon appetit! Please subscribe. Thank you.